Hello and welcome to the week 16 practice exam video. So the last exam, the week 17 exam is not mandatory. It's highly recommended. This information will show up on the non-mandatory week 17 exam, but also on the final. Number one, simplify. Now, the steps are to factor, and factoring will give you those little BFF couples, and then we're going to cancel. But let's talk about what the word factor refers to. So, factor only refers to two numbers that have been multiplied. So, 3 and 2 are factors of 6 because 3 times 2 is 6. It does not count if you are adding. 3 and 2 are not factors of 5. Okay? If you're adding numbers to get a third number, those are not factors. So we cannot cancel the 12 and the 16 because these are being added. You have to cancel things that are being multiplied together. So, step one, factor. So I make a diamond, two numbers that multiply to get 12 and add to get 7. So we have b plus 3, b plus 4. Two numbers that multiply to get 16 and add to get 8. So that's 4 and 4. Okay, so now we have BFF couples and we have a matching set. So the b plus 4s cancel, and we have b plus 3 over b plus 4. Now, let's talk about what excluded values are. Excluded values, we go back to the full polynomial. We look at the bottom. So this was b plus 4, b plus 4 cannot be 0. So we see that b cannot be -4. Usually with a quadratic like this, you would expect two excluded values, but they match, so we only have one. Number two, we have a quadratic. Notice we have no linear term, okay? Just an n. We have an n squared, we have a constant term, we have no linear term. So there is a shortcut that we can do that will help us to solve for n. So since there's no linear term, I'm going to isolate the variable, add 6 to both sides. 100n squared is equal to 25. Divide by 100. Now I am not getting a decimal. I'm reducing that to a reduced fraction. Now, how many answers am I expecting? Exponent of 2. I'm expecting 2 answers. Take the square root. So we're going to take the square root of the top and the square root of the bottom. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. So I have positive 1/2 and negative 1/2. Number 3, we're going to look at the chart of n behavior. And we see that a cubic without a negative in front has this shape. And the constant term will give us the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is -3. So we're going to make a sketch and we just want to hit that point -3. Number 4, we need to add these fractions. So we have a common denominator. And on the top, we're going to add 2x plus 3. Now, there's a possibility we're going to factor the bottom and find some factors to cancel. So if we try to factor the bottom, this is what we're going to get. And we see that it does not have any common factors on top, no BFF couples. So actually, we're not going to leave it in factored form. We're just going to stop here. Notice that we could have the 3 in the front, but those are being added, not multiplied. So the 3 is not a factor. The 2x plus 3 is a BFF couple. So we're done. Number 5. Now, when there is a minus in between, we're going to be very careful and we're going to put parentheses. The minus in between does not affect the first two terms, but I need to distribute it. Minus a minus is plus b. Then combine like terms. A, take away a, cancels. So I have 6b plus b is 7b over 36a cubed. Number 6, now we do not have a common denominator. So think about if you had 3/7 and 5/8 and you did not have a common denominator, you would multiply those together and use their product as the common denominator. So we're going to do something similarly. Our common denominator is going to be 2b plus 2b minus 5. So we're going to take the left-hand side, multiply by b minus 5 on the top and b minus 5 on the bottom. So I have 4b times b minus 5, a big plus sign in the middle. Now on the right, I need to multiply by 2b plus 2 on the bottom, 2b plus 2 on the top. So I have plus 4, 2b plus 2, which gives me 4b squared minus 20b plus 8b plus 8. And combine like terms. So I have 4b squared minus 12b plus 8. Now I notice that 4, 12, and 8, I could factor a 2 out of there. And 2b and 2, I could factor a 2 out of there. Cancel the 2, and I have b squared minus 6b plus 4 over b plus 1, b minus 5.